We got this device. It's the Samsung Galaxy A50. This device is not charging and we are going to make it charge. No sign of charging. I opened the device and thought, let's record this video so you can learn how to solve this problem. Bring the multimeter, put it in the voltage test, and then we are going to test. The multimeter is off, bring it on. Let's see. Alright, the charging port is good and reaching to the subboard connector. So, let's now connect this flex cable to see if it's reaching the 5-volt line. Alright, this line is not always making a connectivity. So, you may going to replace it, or you can go and see how to fix this problem. We are going to make a line outside the flex cable. Continue watching and you will see how to do that. So we have a problem with this flex cable. The 5-volt dropped to 1 to 3, so we have a problem. Whatever it's the problem, we are going to solve it with a good solution. The solution will be permanently unless this wire will be cut on somehow damage got happened to it. Alright, I'm going to make a wire from this area to this area. Alright, this is the line we are going to make. This is the bottom, where is the subboard. We have 4 dots, this connected to this point. So we are going to scratch there and we will start putting the line there. This is how we do it. We see the line and then we make our wire. It's not that difficult. Everyone can do it. It's a new solution. You can do it. As you can see, we scratch it and then we clean it with the alcohol isopropyl. I flip the board so I can work from the area I think it's better and good for me. I can solder from the different direction. Alright, make sure the solder is 400 degree to solder this wire. It takes too much heat, the main board. Alright, this is not the main board, this is the subboard. Put the soldering, make sure it's good to solder a new wire from this point to the other point. This is low melt soldering, maybe it's better. Alright, seems it's better. It's soldered well. We don't need too much soldered, just a few. We are going to put a line. Doesn't need to take much solder. We don't need to make a pulp, whatever it is. Or pulp, what is it? Alright, it's not solder yet. Not yet. It doesn't taking too much heat. That's why. Alright. Okay. Not okay. I'm still working on it. Good. I finished. Cut this wire. We don't need it. Don't scratch the board. Alright. This is good. Clean it. Put UV mask. This wire is not making any connectivity. It's isolated. So consider subscribing. We are not going to put UV light or UV solder mask to every wire place, to every place of the wire, just where we soldered it, because it will make connection. Otherwise, this wire is not making any connection. I'm having UV torch lamp, but the UV lamp, it will be better. So I'm seeing if we have different area to solder this wire. I'm touching to see which pin is connected to this pin, but seems there is nothing here is connected. So I'm going to scratch the pad of that subboard. This is the subboard. I'm lost. Which one the subboard? Alright, this is the main board. Alright. Let's solder it. Scratch this hole and we are going to solder this wire to this point. After that, you will assemble and test. But before you do that, make sure this wire cable go through the housing, or the housing will not touch it when you close the phone. Otherwise, it could break the line. We don't need to break the line. Alright, make sure the cable go in a good way. Alright, it's not soldered yet. Make sure it's connected carefully. Alright, not good, not. It's good now. Let's now clean it. Alright, you have to clean it so we can put the UV mask. Alright, this should be enough. The UV torch to make it hardness, and then it's okay. We are going to proceed and test if the device is working or not. But it should be work. This UV mask, it's not good enough, so I put or added some more. Alright, this is good. Connect the flex cable. Alright, it's A50. Make sure the wire go in a good way to prevent cut during the closing or assemble this device. Alright, we have been finished. Arrange everything and then you can test. Alright, everything has been told for this video. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.